With air quality in Gurgaon is staying in a very poor category and pollution is expected to rise further in coming days, the Haryana State Pollution Control Board has pushed local authorities for the strict implementation of Graded Response Action Plan from October 15th. Hi, I am Neha Nagpal. Welcome to Property Matters. The MCG Commissioner has directed the enforcement team to ensure the payment of the challans issued for violating GRAP measures to be paid by the violator on the same day or within 7 days.
गुरुग्राम जो है एक मल्टी फेसेटेड सिटी है और इसमें ऐसे काफ़ी सारे इश्यूज रिगार्डिंग एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न्स हैं जिसके ऊपर के ग्रैप की गाइडलाइंस को हमें बिल्कुल स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करना भी चाहिए और हम करेंगे। इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ जितनी भी है एज डीटीपी एनफोर्समेंट जो है हम इनकी टीम्स को कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं और जो भी विज़िट करेंगे और जहाँ पर भी एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न्स एज़ पर गाइडलाइंस फॉलो नहीं हो रहे उनके ऊपर जो ग्रैप की गाइडलाइंस कहती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग फाइन करना, सीलिंग करना, दिस विल बी डन.
The authority also said if notice is not responded and the fine is not paid in the decided time, then the strict action will be taken. It can go up to the extent of sealing the building as well.
7 days time is given to the concerned who has violated the norms. We will take them to the task and even take strict action regarding sealing of the project also.
GRAP was formulated for Delhi NCR 3 years ago. It was a plan that institutionalized measures to be taken when air quality deteriorates. GRAP works only as an emergency measure. The plan is incremental in nature. Therefore, when the air quality moves from poor to very poor, the measures listed under this have to be followed. Other than DTCP and Enforcement Department, DHBVN and municipal authorities can also disconnect electricity, water and sewage connection if GRAP guidelines are not followed and fine is not paid.
ऐसे different departments are involved. DHBVN is there for electricity. या कोई concerned developer है अगर उसने electricity provide कर रखी है तो in case direction is required to be issued by us to the developer, we will issue. In case it is to be issued by the DHBVN, they will look into the matter. Now I have directed my team and even have coordinated with DTP planning also that we should investigate all these construction activities on top priority basis.
The Commissioner has also authorized engineers at every level and senior sanitary inspectors to issue challans in their zones and wards for violation of air pollution norms. Already close to 100 challans have been issued by different authorities. The local authorities are issuing fines and challans for unauthorized parking of vehicle, which leads to traffic snarls and emission of harmful gases, driving vehicles polluting the environment, construction sites for not following the dust mitigation methods, for garbage dumping and burning, uncovered municipal waste during transportation and violation of environmental norms. Pollution Department along with other local authorities are taking measures to reduce the level of polluted air in the city. Fines, challans and strict action to follow GRAP guidelines are taken for your safety. Therefore, the onus of protecting yourself from poor and polluted air is on you now. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Neha Nagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. With cameraman Nitin Rajput, this is Neha Nagpal signing off. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.